Hello everyone, this is Janice. In this video, I will show you a simple way of making these colorful bookmarks out of plastic canvas. This is a very good project for kids as well. It's fun and easy to make. For this project, you will need a yarn of your choice, scissors, a plastic canvas, a sewing needle. I already have a sample of the size of bookmark that I will show you how to make. This one that I cut out is 1.5 inches wide and 6 inches long. First, you cut out the color that you're going to use first. In my case, I will be using the color pink. With your sewing needle and your cut out piece of yarn, you will pinch the tip of the yarn and you will insert the tip of the yarn through the eye of the sewing needle, and you will pull the yarn about halfway. Then at the end of your yarn here, you will, over your finger, you will make a knot, and you will do it twice so the knot will stay secure. Once you have your knot, you will get your plastic canvas and you will go under the first square of your plastic canvas and you will pull the yarn all the way until it stops, just like this. Once you have that, you will go into the next square and you will pull through the little square with your yarn all the way till it stops. Then you will go into the next square and you go on top of the other square. Now you have to make sure that when you're doing this kind of project, if you're gonna start going on the bottom, you're gonna go in the bottom. If you're on the top of the square, you go from the top down to the bottom. Otherwise, it will actually not form the square properly. You'll start making knots instead. So you pull it all the way through, then you go into the next square, pull it all the way through until it stops. And basically you just repeat the same pattern over and over again. Now you'll just continue doing this until you finish the first row. And then I will meet you back once you complete the first row. Okay, now I'm back, and here is how it's supposed to look. This is the first row. When you get to the end, you can see the thread is hanging down this way. So now what I do with my scissors, I just cut a little piece off of that. Then I go on to my next color, which is going to be the color purple. And it's the same procedure. You will pinch the purple thread and you're going to insert the purple thread right through the needle, just like this, and you're going to go about halfway down. Then you'll go to the end and you're going to, over your finger, you're going to go around and you're going to make a knot. Now for this bookmark, as you can see, this string here hangs down. we're going to go to the opposite side, and we're going to start on the second row, which is here next to the purple. Next to the pink. You're going to pull the purple yarn all the way through until it stops, and you will go into the next square and pull it all the way till it stops, just like that. Then you go to the next square, you pull all the way through till it stops. Then you go to the square right in front of it, and then you pull the next square, pull it all the way out, and you pull it right through. You will continue doing this until you complete the second row. Then I'll meet you back when I complete the second row, and we'll continue from then. Okay, now I have completed row number 2, and this is how it will look after you complete the second row. Now you see these strands together. You have the pink one first and then the purple one. I line up the pink and the purple together, and then you have these little strands hanging down. Once you have the strands cut, you will make a knot just like this, and here is your strands. If you feel that the strands are a little too long, you can always cut them a little bit shorter if you like, and then they'll be like this. So if I were to continue doing this pattern, I would start with the pink, the purple, the pink, the purple, and so forth. And then at the end, it will look something like this. Or you can put 2 rows of pink, 2 rows of purple, 2 rows of pink, 2 rows of purple, and 2 rows of pink. Or you can have it one single color of each. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please leave some comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.